Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out XDC's price chart, and this is definitely in my books a pleasant surprise. Why is that? You see, the last time that we talked about XDC we were right in here, and the idea was that hopefully this is going to be a correction structure, and after it, if we see another move up, it will be a great sign, because at that point you're going to be able to argue that we are having off of the lowest low a 1 2 3 4 5 wave up, meaning either the final low is in, or at least this is going to be just the beginning of a new move up in XDC. And what happened? The bullish scenario, which is absolutely nice. And I'm not really going to say that this point was the end of a wave 3. No. Based on what we got, I'm going to say this is a wave 1, 2, excuse me. Let's just draw this one again. Sorry about that. A 1, 2, and then probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into wave 3. Correction for 4. Another move up into wave 5. And here is the end of our wave 3, like this, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, another move into wave 5. Now, what is happening at the moment? So here is what's going on in my mind. I believe this might be a 5 wave down, and there's a good chance that in the short term, you are going to see a bounce, but if this is going to be a slow and choppy move on the upside, and between our pullbacks down, you are just constantly able to identify overlapping of the waves. At that point, you need to most likely count on yet another move down. But I'm not really sure if we should be worried about that move. Why? Because on a higher degree, I'm thinking probably these going to be the sub waves for an ABC zigzag, and what you have overall from the lowest low, possibly 5 wave up, followed by a correction down, and well, this is a bullish setup, suggesting from these areas we're going to get yet another move up in order to take the highs in here for the first target about the 7 cents area, but maybe we're going to go a bit higher than that. Now, even at that point, I need you to not be overwhelmingly optimistic in XDC. Why? That comes down to some waves. You see, now I'm going to argue that this was actually right in here, the end of our wave 4, and this is another move down into wave 5, and this point is the end of this wave 3, and the move up that we are having is going to be into this wave 4 right in here, excuse me. And what's next if this scenario is happening? You know the answer. Unfortunately, yet another move down into wave 5. Am I sure about this scenario? No. That's why I'm saying we need to take everything step by step. For now, in XDC, seems like this is the beginning of a move up, and let's hope that we get something like this. And at that point, we are going to make new updates and see what is happening. And let's just hope that we are going to see like a very strong move up in order to, especially I'm going to say, take this important high about 7.9 cents, because that could potentially confirm that we are having a correction here and not an impulse. But for now, definitely too soon to talk about those scenarios. Again, once more, let's just take everything step by step. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in XDC's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.